Hello, this is Matt, and welcome to today's edition of English Bites. The headline that I would like to draw your attention to today is this one. European asset managers prepare turbulent second half of 2022. And the word in particular that I would like to draw your attention to is this one, turbulent. Turbulent. And I would like to compare it to the word chaotic because the two words are extremely similar. In this headline, you could also say European asset managers prepare for a chaotic second half of 2022. By the way, I just noticed that there's a mistake in this headline. It says prepare a for, and I think what they meant to say was prepare for a turbulence. Okay, so anyway, so today we're comparing turbulent and chaotic, and the two words are extremely similar. There's just a very, very slight difference, and that's what I wanted to mention today. The slight difference is that when you use the word turbulent, what's turbulent? Winds are turbulent. Seas are turbulent. Oceans are turbulent. And think of air and seas and wind. These are things that they're extremely large and they have a lot of power behind them. Maybe the turbulence doesn't have a lot of power, but the thing itself has a lot of power. So, a wind, there's the air that's moving, but there's a lot of air that's behind that. And the same goes for an ocean or a sea. There's a lot of water, but there's a lot of water behind that. When you use the word chaotic, it kind of means the same thing. But something that's chaotic doesn't have to have that power behind it. Like a small child, for example. You could have a small child that's making a lot of noise and throwing things, and maybe the world around that small child is very chaotic. But outside of that world, just a few feet away, no one's really paying attention. The child isn't extending any influence. So that's the main difference between turbulent and chaotic, is that turbulent implies that there is a deep base of power beyond the chaos that you're seeing, whereas the word chaos just focuses on the chaos or the disruption that's happening. And regardless of whether that comes from a deep source or not.